world, you got the Trump girl right here. All these are $100,000 a pop. So look, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, 700,000, 800,000, 900,000. That's $1 million right there. That's what I'm willing to invest in my next superstar, because I'm starting a whole new label, fresh, So Icy Millionaires. So who want to join my new label, because I'm looking for my next male superstar. Babe, where you at with the count? How much you got over here?
So far, I got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 8, 9, $1 million. I got $1 million, plus I got some extras that I'm still counting up for the female artists.
So I got $1 million for my next female superstar. I got $1 million for my next male superstar. Who want to join the So Icy Millionaires? Hit my DM right now. Happy 4th of July.
Fuck y'all haters. Ow.
Yes, boss. Back here again once again, man. I miss you guys, man. Listen, dog. I seen this video and I couldn't wait to touch this video, dog. I couldn't wait to do it, but some personal matters came up, so that's why I ain't post. Those who know what it is, they know. You feel me? So here's the deal. Gucci Mane posted up, yo, $2 million, $1 million a piece for my next 2 artists. I got a whole new label, So Icy Entertainment, right? Quick flag on the play, 10 yards back, penalty on the field. I'm going to tell you what it is, right? Gucci Mane was quick to go ahead and flex this money. Yo, I got a new artist I'm trying to sign, trying to put on. You have to understand something. History not only repeats itself, but if you can look back at history, it can give you an answer into what the future will be like. You feel me? And those who know what I'm talking about is knowing exactly where I'm going with this. So Gucci Mane just had another artist who passed away by enchanting, right? His female artist of 1017. Now, she passed away as the same way as one of his other previous artists, Big Scar. Go further. Where's the rest of the label? You have Fujiano and you have, oh my gosh, Pooh Shiesty locked up in prison. One is doing over 5 years. The next one is doing about 8. I don't know which one is doing which, but I'll tell you like this. Gucci Mane's whole label is cursed, bro. And there's nothing wrong with you wanting to pursue a rap career. I'm not here to dim the light and say, hey, you're not supposed to do that. Go to school or go get a job. No. If you love music that much, damn it, go ahead and pursue that career. But I'm just telling you real, bro. Sometimes looking at the track record, that can tell how history will be or how things will repeat itself. You feel me? His whole last label was called the New 1017, and that whole label is like damn near scrapped. So he's saying, yo, man, I got a whole new label, So Icy Entertainment, and I'm trying to get this artist and this artist. The only artist I know of that's supposed to be still standing on the new 1017 is Lerai. That's probably about it. And other than that, the other members are either dead or incarcerated. And this is the thing I want people to understand. You can make it in life. You can make a living off of your music if your music is that good. But what you have to understand is a lot of these artists or these big labels that you see, what they're doing is they're giving you advance money. Advance money is basically equivalent to a loan. So whatever sales you make on the back end, they're able to keep that. You feel me? Not only that, you have to understand that rappers don't really make money like that from their music, because you throw a rock outside and you hit a person, chances are that person is an artist. So how is it every artist is out here getting paid off of their music when music is like the lowest forms of making money compared to the world that we live in? You get what I'm saying? This is all a trickery game. Now, go a little bit further. You have his artist that passed away and he's flexing this new money. This is my honest opinion. Judge me, whoever it is you want to judge. This is my honest opinion. I feel like that's money from the life insurance policy that finally came in from his artist. What you have to understand is this. Once you're signed to somebody and you sign paperwork, you don't know what it is you're signing. They're just promising you a fat check and that's all you're looking for. But sometimes you end up signing over your rights, your livelihood, all of your collection of music. And God forbid when something happens to you, if something does, You pass away, that music now belongs to the person that you signed to, which means that all of your hard work and effort goes to that label. All they have to do is promote you, because why? You're no longer here. And everybody knows this famous rule. You're worth more money when you're dead. Look at Pop Smoke. Look at Nipsey Hussle. These are prime examples of artists who had their numbers fly up in an extreme way once they passed away. Nipsey Hussle did over 20,000% in an increase in his music. Not only that, Pop Smoke, he had a bunch of unreleased music with a bunch of unreleased music videos that followed behind it. And that was money that was going strictly to who? The label that he signed to. So you have to understand that a lot of these guys, once they sign you, they don't care anything about you. You're just looked at as an opportunity and a meal ticket, because you're putting in that work to make sure, yo, my name stays solidified, or I'm the hottest rapper coming out of my section. They don't care anything about that, because however which way you die or you go, they're able to capitalize off of you because they own all of your body of work. You get what I'm saying? And this is a common scenario for a lot of artists who have passed away. Look at Big Scar. Big Scar was one of the most promising artists on Gucci Mane's label, and he was very talented. He had bars, he could rap. But guess what? He lost his life from an overdose. From him losing his life, all of his rap records, his collection, streams, whatever, that goes back to the label, because that's who he was signed to. He never bought himself out of his deal, and he wasn't independent. He signed over. So what I'm trying to tell you is this. If you have a rap dream, you can make that happen. If you have an aspiration to make it in entertainment, you can do that. What I'm trying to tell you is, you trying to get that help or seek it from a label, it's not going to turn out the way that you want it to. Because why? Labels are very shysty. These are the same people that will give you an advance money, and you would think, yo, I'm going to get more money after that. The advance is pretty much the money that you'll be getting, unless you get some type of a other deal from somebody else that doesn't involve your label getting a cut. Because majority rule of these artists, whether you know it or not, they end up signing 360 deals. That's why you have some artists, they sign joint deals with other people to see if they can get out of their deal faster, but you put yourself in a bigger hole. So what I'm trying to tell you is this. Before you sign on a dotted line with some label or some artist, please understand this, bro. Once you sign a contract, that's a form of a binding. It's not a sure guarantee that once you get out of there, or if you're able to get out of there, that you're still going to be completely sane or have your livelihood or sanity intact. There's a lot of people who go through a stressful time trying to recuperate or trying to obtain their masters of the work that they've put out there, because the label now owns that. So you don't want to become a victim of these situations. You have to understand this. Just because you see somebody out here on TV looking like they having the money, the views, and a lot of people shouting them out, that doesn't mean that they're in a happy situation. Always remember this. More money brings more problems. Just because a person smiles, that doesn't mean that they're smiling like that all the time. That's because the cameras are rolling. So you have to be in mind that a lot of these guys are signed to slave deals. A lot of them, they don't have a way of making good money. That's why they have to go about their ways doing other things to make other forms of income, so they're able to pay off the label and set themselves free. You feel me? With that being said, remember this. Words can help you. They can hurt you. But here on my channel, I use them to uplift you, because everybody's a champion. Nobody's a loser, man. Just remember this. Just because a big label or one of your favorite artists approach you doesn't mean that they won't be willing to swindle you. They're relying on the fact that you're naive and you don't know anything. You don't know this business. You just know that you're going to have the opportunity to display your music in front of millions of people. And depending on if they like you, they'll gravitate towards you. However, that's not a sure 100% guarantee that you're going to make money from your music. You have to remember that all of this is contracts, bindings, lawyers, all types of stuff. So you have to make sure that you have all your ducks in order. You feel me? With that being said, it's your boy 444 The World, man. Words can help you. They can hurt you. But here on my channel, I use them to uplift you, because everybody's a champion. Nobody's a loser, man. Peace.